From this computer, I connect to another computer on the local network. That computer is directly connected to the printer. On that computer, I share the printer. That computer is named Desktop 1. Follow these steps to share the printer. Settings, Bluetooth, and devices, printers and scanners. This is the printer I will share, a Canon printer. Use the same method with other printers. Printer properties. Share printer. Change sharing options. Share this printer. Share name. I use the default name. I switch to the local computer. Check if this computer can see the shared printer. Network. The shared printer is not visible. I can't even see Desktop 1. Return to the remote computer. You set it up as follows so that other computers can see the computer named Desktop 1, Network, and Internet. You set the network to trusted mode so that other computers can see it. I see it. Private network. Network and Internet. Advanced network settings. Advanced sharing settings. Enable network discovery in private network. Enable file and printer sharing in private network. Enable in public network. Next, check if the local computer can see the computer named Desktop 1. Very good. Desktop 1 is visible, but it requires a username and password to access it. Next, I set up sharing without password. Desktop 1, all network. Password protected sharing, off. Disable password requirements when sharing printers or folders. Local PC. Desktop 1. Unfortunately, it still requires a username and password. This is not a setup error on Desktop 1, but requires changing some settings on the local computer. On the local computer, follow these steps. Edit Group Policy. Local Group Policy Editor. There are some default policies that prevent you from connecting to shared printers. Computer configuration. Windows settings. Security settings. Local policies. Security options. The policies in the right-hand window. Find the item named Microsoft Network Client. Digitally sign communications always. Disabled. Microsoft Network Client. Digitally sign communications always. Change another policy. Administrative templates. Network. Landman Workstation. Edit the policy named Enable Insecure Guest Logons. Enable. Apply. Edit as above to allow guest accounts to access the shared folder. Apply changes. Run window. Update policies. Check connection to Desktop 1. Desktop 1. Printer seen. But unfortunately, I can't connect to it. Follow these steps to connect to the printer you just saw. Control panel. Category. Large icons. Credential manager. Add a guest account for Desktop 1 on this local computer. Windows credentials. Add a Windows credential. Enter the name or IP address of the computer sharing the printer. I entered the computer name. Username. Guest. Password. Leave blank. These are the what I just added. Connect to the shared printer. Desktop 1. Canon printer. Connected. Successful. The above is how to share a printer over a network in Windows 11. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out more helpful tips on my channel. Good luck!